Welcome to second video of September 2025 actual exam paper for CA Foundation QA, where we'll solve questions 11 to 20. In the earlier video, we have already solved questions 1 to 10. So let's go ahead. As usual, first try these questions by yourself and then only come to this video, because otherwise it will be of no use to you, because you have to look at this to get understanding of tricks, tips, and how to solve questions fast. Okay, before that you should have tried it by yourself first. Do not look for ready-made answers. Okay, that will not help for exam. So let's start with question 11. This is an implicit differentiation. Most of these questions from 11 to 20 are from derivatives integration. So find dy by dx for x square y square plus y is equal to 0. Now, if you do not know how to solve implicit differentiation, how to solve integration questions, then I've already uploaded full batch as well as revision batch for derivatives integration on the channel, which is available for free. So I would suggest go through it once, because it has all the concepts, every logic, why we are doing this, that is required to solve, and that will help you, that will make everything clear for you. But if you know already how to solve this, then let's see. X square plus y square, x square y square plus y is equal to 0. So how do we solve implicit differentiation question? Treat it as two variables. So this is uv, right? How do we differentiate u into v? U into v dash plus v into u dash, right? So u is what? X square plus derivative of v, derivative of y square. Now understand, what is, if it was x square, we would have written 2x, right? So if it is y square, we'll write 2y. But derivative of y is what? Dy by dx. So we'll write dy by dx plus v into u dash. So v is y square into u is this x square, right? So u dash will be what? 2x plus derivative of y will be what? Just dy by dx. So whenever you take derivative of any term containing y, you have to also write dy by dx, right? So is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. So 2x square y dy by dx. Let's take this term to right hand side. So minus 2xy square and plus dy by dx on left hand side, right? Let's take dy by dx common. So what will remain? 2x square y plus 1 is equal to minus 2xy square. So this is in multiplication. I can just shift it here as division, right? So it will be 2x square y plus 1 in the denominator. So let's see which option matches. Option B is the correct answer. They have written y first and x later, but B is the correct answer, right? Next. The cost function of an organization is given as Cx is equal to 500 minus 5x square plus x cube by 3. This is a very good question, where x denotes the output. Find level of output at which marginal cost is the minimum. First of all, understand, if this is total cost, marginal cost means cost which changes with every unit of output, which is nothing but derivative of total cost. So we have to find derivative of total cost first. Derivative of 500 will be 0 minus derivative of 5x square. So 5 into derivative of x square is 2x. So I'll just write 10x plus x cube, derivative will be 3x square upon 3. So I can just cancel this 3. Now understand, this is marginal cost. We have to find when this marginal cost is minimum. That means we have to find minima of this marginal cost. How do we find minima? We take derivative and we take set that derivative equal to 0. We have to take derivative of marginal cost. Forget about this derivative now, that is done. We have nothing to do with this total cost, forget about this. They are asking when is the marginal cost minimum. So let's take derivative of marginal cost. So marginal cost derivative will be minus 10x, derivative will be minus 10 plus derivative of 2x will be, derivative of x square will be 2x. We have to set this as equal to 0. So that means 2x will be equal to 10 and x will be equal to 5. This will be our answer in this case, but technically this can either be, so see, in exam you just take 5, which is the correct answer, but technically this can be minimum or maximum. We have to test it. How do we test it? We take derivative again, second derivative of this. How do we take derivative again? Minus 10, derivative will be 0 plus 2x, so derivative will be 2. If this is positive, then we have got minimum. If this is negative, then we have got maximum or maxima. So since this is positive, we have got minima and not maxima, so 5 is our correct answer. Okay. Next, 13, 14 are on integration. Let's solve it on a separate screen. Integration of x plus 3 by x plus 2, x plus 3 by x plus 2 from 0 to 4, right? Best way here is substitution. So how do we substitute? Let's assume that denominator as u. So u is equal to x plus 2. Then du by dx will be what? 1, because derivative of x is 1. That means du is equal to dx. So we can just substitute now. Integration of x plus 3 will be what? X plus 2 plus 1. That means x plus 2 is u. So u plus 1 upon x plus 2, which is u, and dx is equal to du. We have already decided, or we have already calculated. So du. So can I just split it? Integration of u by u plus 1 by u. Why? Because if we take denominator common, it is u plus 1 by u. I can just split it now. Integration of u by u is 1 plus integration of 1 by u, right? What is integration of 1? U. What is integration of 1 by u? Log u. That's it. But now we have to put u as x plus 2. So if I put u as x plus 2, it will become x plus 2 plus log of x plus 2, right? And this is definite integration, so we have to evaluate it from 0 to 4. If you do not know these concepts, definite integration, substitution method, then do watch the video uploaded on the channel. It will be very useful, and this is very easy, and you can definitely score, right? In exam this time there were 4 or 5 questions on derivative integration, so do not waste those marks. How do we solve? First we put 4. 4 plus 2 will be 6, plus log of 4 plus 2 will be log of 6. Then we put 0. 0 plus 2 will be 2, plus log of 0 plus 2 will be log of 2. So we'll subtract this. So what is this? 6 plus log 6 minus 2 minus log 2, because this plus minus will become minus. So 6 minus 2 is 4 plus log 6 minus log 2. So option B is the correct answer, not option D, because in calculus, that is in derivatives and integration and limits, it is implied that base is E if nothing is written. So this is the correct answer, option B. 14th is very easy. Why? Because you can use a property. If you have integration of this type where numerator is derivative of denominator, then the answer is directly log of denominator. That's it. Okay. Why this will work? Let's check. So here denominator is 1 plus x square. What is derivative of 1 plus x square? 2x, which is in numerator, right? So the answer will be just log of denominator. That's it. So log of 1 plus x square, and we have to evaluate this from what? 3 to 4. So again, let's put 3 first. If I put, let's put 4 first. If I put 4, log of 1 plus 4 square is log 17, minus log of 1 plus 3 square is log 10. So log a minus log b is what? Log a by b. Log 17 by 10 is the correct answer, option B. Okay, so question 15 is find inverse of function fx is equal to this. Inverse is a very easy process. You just set it as y, and now we have to rearrange everything so that we get it as x is equal to something something. Let's try. Can I take x plus 5 to right hand side? So it will be 2 plus 3x is equal to y into bracket x plus 5, right? Let's open the bracket. 2 plus 3x is equal to xy plus 5y, right? Let's take all the x terms to the left hand side. So 3x minus xy is equal to 5y minus 2, this plus 2, right? Fine. So let's take x common from left hand side. X into bracket 3 minus y is equal to 5y minus 2. Now this is easy. X will be equal to what? 5y minus 2 upon 3 minus y. If you check the options, they have not directly given this anywhere. But can I write it in opposite way? 2 minus 5y upon y minus 3. Why? Because I'm just multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So that is there in the options. Option C is the correct answer. 2 minus 5y upon y minus 3. Now next few are on logical reasoning. So find the odd one out in this series. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26 and so on, right? First thing that you should try, if there is no obvious pattern, first thing that you should try is always difference, right? So let's try difference. 2 and 5 difference is 3, 5, 7, 9. So there is a pattern, right? 37 minus 26 is 11. 37 and 50 difference is 13. This is 14, right? So this should not have been 14 because 3, 5, 7, 9, it is all odd numbers consecutively. So this is wrong. 64 is the odd one out. Option D. If in a certain language, I guess this is module question only, right? Madras is coded as NBESBT. How is Delhi coded? So it is very straightforward. Everything is just done plus 1, right? Just next letter is taken. So M, after M comes N, after A comes B, after D comes E, after R comes S, and so on. So we'll just do that. So after D we'll have E, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, H, I, J. So E, F, M, I, J will be the correct answer, option B. Okay. 18th. In a certain code, glamour is written as this and misrule is written as this. Then how will musical be written? Fine, let's try. Let's see what they've done. GLAMOUR is written as IJCNMWP. Right, fine. So from G to I, how do we go? GHI, that means plus 2, right? Plus 2 letters. From L to J, how do we go? Actually, it is opposite, right? It is JKL. That means before L, we have done 2 letters, so minus 2. From A, ABC, so again plus 2. For M, so HIJKL, MN, so just plus 1. Okay, it is weird. After M, so from O to M, how do we go? LMNO, so minus 2, right? M comes before O. UVW, so plus 2. PQR, so minus 2. So it is plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, then plus 1, then again minus 2, plus 2, minus 2. Let's see the second word also, misrule. If that follows the same pattern, then we have got it, right? It is written as OGUSSNC. Okay. MNO, so plus 2. GHI, so minus 2. STU, so plus 2. Sorry. RS, so plus 1. UVW, STU, so minus 2. Then plus 2 LMN. CDE, so minus 2. Same pattern, right? So let's do the same thing for musical. MUSICAL. So first is plus 2, so LMNO. Then minus 2, so STU, so S. Then plus 2, so STU. Then for the middle letter, they've done plus 1, so IJ. Then again minus 2, so A. Then plus 2, so C. Then again minus 2, so JKL, so J, right? So OSU, JACJ. OSU, JACJ is option C, which is the correct answer. It was a weird question, but not too difficult, right? In the following series, one term is wrong. Find out the wrong term. This is a little bit challenging. See, 48, 50, 82, 170 and 290. Let's see first. Okay, so I have already solved this, so I know the answer, but understand, first thing that you will always do is what? Difference. So let's check the difference. Difference is 2, then 32, then it is 170 minus 82, which is 88, then it is 290 minus 170, which is 120. So there does not seem to be any link. Even if we take second difference, that is 30, then 56 and 32. So it does not seem to be any link, right? So now we have to observe these numbers to see if there is anything different with any number. All are even numbers, so that is not like that. So there is no question of prime also. So let's forget about it. Let's think about squares and cubes. So none of these is square or cube of anything. But can you see 7 square is 49, right? 9 square is 81. Then 170 is also close to a square because 169, if you check, is square of 13. And 290 is also close because 289 is square of 17, right? So rather, can I say this 48, instead of this 48, can I say this 48 has come as 7 square minus 1. This 82 has come as 9 square plus 1. In fact, that 50 is also 7 square plus 1. That 170 is 13 square plus 1, 169 plus 1, and 289 plus 1, so 17 square plus 1. So it is all square plus 1 except for this number, so that is the odd one out, 48. Fine. Last 20th, complete the given series. So Again, first thing is always difference. So let's see, 6, 18, 36, 60, 90. There is no pattern yet because 6 into 3 is 18, 18 into 2 is 36. Fine. Let's take second difference. 6 and 18 difference is 12, 18, 24 and 30. Right. There is a pattern. It is in table of 6, but if you want we can take a difference again to get 6, 6, 6. That means next will also be 6. Right. That means this will be 36. That means this will be 90 plus 36, that is 126. That means this will be 210 plus 126, which is 336, right? So that is option C, which is the correct answer. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have doubts about any questions out of these, let me know in comments or on Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, I put MCQs on daily basis and their short solutions in 1 or 2 minutes. So join the Telegram channel, it will be of use. There are around 500 questions if you scroll up from last year, from last 2 years. So you can use those for practice, right? So let's stop here for the day. We'll meet in next lecture for questions 21 to 30. Okay, bye everyone.